After a very long trip from the Alps, we ended up here in East Germany, in Dresden. Look at this place. This square is normally as well very full on normal tourist time. But now, just a few people hanging around. Let's go, walk around. That is the Elbe River, or the Elbe River that I'm overlooking now. It's very beautiful out here in Dresden.
Also einfach zählt Bedarf, wird halt eine Eigenregelung hast und Beteiligung darf und
Very beautiful here, really. Full of these Renaissance, Baroque inspired buildings all over. Really, really nice. Look how empty is the street. I'm in the middle of the street. No one here. And of course, my trip here in Dresden will not be complete without this to start the day. Hot choco, choco croissant. Lovely Dresden. We had a great time. Until then.